situation in the sub-region. However, the activities of Boko Haram, bandits, cattle rustling, and kidnappers are still constituting a threat to sustainable development. While the forum commends the effort of the security agencies in the sub-region, it agreed to strengthen community policing and action to complement their efforts. 2. Forum notes with dismay that despite the challenges of development, especially the infrastructural deficit in the Northeast, the 2021 proposed federal government budget makes provision only for 45.32 billion naira for capital projects in the sub-region. This represents a paltry 0.35% of the proposed 13.02 trillion naira. This means that Northeast is highly shortchanged. Forum demands the National Assembly to review the 2021 budget in the spirit of equity and inclusion. It equally mandates the Northeast caucus of both the Senate and the House of Representatives to take immediate steps to redress this imbalance. Forum noted that the sub-region has been unfairly treated in the provision of road infrastructure by the Federal Ministry of Works and Housing. It further noted with dismay the slow or outright non-existent progress on the pace of the roads already allocated in the sub-region and calls for the immediate reactivation and review of the commercial existing roads contract in the sub-region. 4. The forum notes with dismay the lack of budgetary provision in the respect of Mambila Hydro projects in the 2021 budgetary proposal and calls on the federal government to make the project a matter of serious priority, resolve all encumbrances around the project and other actions on site. Forum critically examined the challenges of education in the sub-region and resolved to adopt a regional approach by being deliberate in transforming education, especially at the basic level. Forum also agreed to form the Northeast Council on Education. 6. Forum reaffirmed commitment of member states within the sub-region to enforce UBEC law to protect and ensure all children have an opportunity to acquire basic education. 7. Forum calls on the Northeast Development Commission to expedite action on the development of the Northeast Strategic Master Plan. While working on the plan, it should ensure projects are demand-driven to ensure impact and accountability. Forum frowns passionately at a situation where projects are imposed on states without due consultation. 8. Forum notes that gender-based violence is still a major nuisance in the sub-region and call on all governors of the zone to domesticate the Violence Against Persons Prohibition Act 2015 and ensure rapid dispensation of justice on gender-based violence. 9. Forum notes the need for sub-regional integration on significantly cross-cutting issues that could mutually be beneficial to states within the region and agree that state governors within the region should appoint special advisors on regional integration. 10. Forum critically examined the status of post-COVID-19 economic stimulus package of 2.3 trillion naira. While it praises the federal government for this noble initiative, it solicits for equitable and fair treatment, especially in view of economic and social challenges facing the sub-region. 11. Forum resolved to engage Arewa Research and Development Project, ARDP, to provide technical support in key areas of development, such as agriculture and education. 12. The forum resolved to pursue vigorously the issue of securing admission for its candidate in Nigerian tertiary institution to fill its quota. 13. Next meeting of the forum will be held on the 3rd to 4th March 2021, inshallah, in Bauchi State. Thank you, and may God bless you.